It happens to everyone. You're in the middle of a big project when a lockout warning suddenly appears, blocking your work and demanding a paid subscription just to let you type another word. Today, we're fixing that. I'll show you the method for a legal, free installation of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint on Windows 11 without the standard bloatware. To follow along, you only need three things: an internet connection, a web browser, and administrative privileges on your computer. By selecting only the specific applications you need, you reduce disk space usage and prevent the system from running background updates for software you never intended to use. First, we need to create a deployment file. Open your browser and search for the Microsoft Office Customization tool. Then click the top link to open the official site. Under the Architecture section, select the 64-bit option. This is the current standard for most modern Windows systems. Now go to the Product License menu. From the drop-down list, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Scroll down to the Apps list. Toggle off everything except for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to keep your installation clean. Navigate to the Final Export button. Choose the Office Open XML formats, accept the license terms, and click Export to download your configuration file. This XML file serves as a custom blueprint. It tells the Microsoft servers to download only the three specific tools we selected and nothing else. Next, we need the tool that reads that blueprint. Search for the official Microsoft Office deployment tool and download it to your PC. Now open your File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Create a new folder named Office 2024. Move the downloaded XML configuration and deployment tool files into this folder. Right-click the deployment tool, run as administrator, and extract the files here. Isolating these files in their own directory provides a stable environment for the installation, avoiding the errors common with standard web-based installers. We are ready to install. Open your Start menu, type Command Prompt, and be sure to select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type CD followed by a space. This tells the system we want to change the Active Directory. Copy the file path from your Office 2024 folder and paste it directly into the terminal, then hit Enter. Pasting ensures there are no typing errors in the path. Now type exactly what you see on screen: setup/configure configuration.xml, then hit Enter. The standard Microsoft installation window will appear. This process usually takes between 10 and 15 minutes depending on your internet speed. Using the command prompt allows us to bypass default installation behaviors, pulling the clean software packages directly from the source. When the installer finishes, open your Start menu and launch Word to confirm the application is working. While the apps are installed, we need to address potential license prompts that can appear later on. Follow this path in your File Explorer: C drive, Program Files, Microsoft Office, and then the Office 16 folder. Find the activation file located inside. Right-click that file and run it as administrator. Repeat this 2 to 4 times, then restart your computer. This process updates the local licensing flags, which allows the software to stay active without needing to ping external servers for a license check. After you restart, you'll have a functioning, stable Office setup ready for your next project. If you are using a Mac, there is a similar method for Mac OS. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a guide for that system. Now that your tools are ready, check out our upcoming tutorials on how to get the most out of Word, Excel, and new AI productivity tools. With the software now installed and verified, you can move directly into creating your documents and managing your data.